Hi everybody, it's the editor here from RHDC Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. I just wanted to put together a quick script-free update video. Those of you who regularly watch videos here, regular viewers, shall we say? That's probably better, isn't it? There was a update in July, just to say that I was taking a break. One of my parents was really poorly. I had a lot of work on in real life away from YouTube because I don't do YouTube for a job. It's a hobby, and also the YouTube channel Robin Hood Dashcam was demonetized. So these things come in threes, clearly. So I just had to take a step back, and what I want to do with you now is share with you what's going to happen next. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you to all the fans and all the subscribers that sent me messages of concern and really kind of, I don't really know how to put this into words really, but just really nice messages, asking when I'll be back and really, being polite about the content and really wanted to make sure I was okay, I suppose, really. I probably worded that quite poorly, but yeah, massive thank you to everyone who sent me a message on WhatsApp and Instagram, Facebook, Discord. So many ways you can get in touch with us now. Thank you so much for everyone that took the time to send me a message. I do appreciate it. And I'll get into the updates now, and they're all good, which is great, really. So, update number one: my parent, who was quite ill, has made a pretty good recovery. We're in a good place now, better than where we were earlier in the summer. So yeah, things more or less there are not fully resolved, but they're in a much better place than they were, and they're much more happier with things, and they seem a bit more sprightly. So it's like when you have aging parents, they're like China. You have to make sure that they don't fall over and break. So no, that situation's in a better place. Um, the second thing is my work schedule has got better. We've delivered some new work what I do in real life, and yeah, it gives me some more time to create some videos, and my schedule's allowed me to do that as well, so that's good. And the demonetization thing, not a lot I can do about that. I've had the appeal rejected. So what I'm going to talk through now is what's going to happen next to the channel and how you can be part of that and support that. So this is what's going to happen. The channel is demonetized. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it Robin Hood Dashcam Archive. All the old videos are going to stay here. We got up to compilation 245. They're going to remain in situ. Not a problem. You can view them at any point. Robin Hood Dashcam will be relaunched, and the new channel name and a link is all in the video description and in the comments. It'll be pinned, so you'll be able to find it easy. That's where Robin Hood Dashcam will in future publish new videos, and we're going to recommence with volume 246. Small change to the running order though. We're going to start every other week for the time being. That's just while I get readjusted to my new schedule. But the aim of the game is to get back into publishing not one but two videos a week. So we're going to go hell for leather, and we're going to put more content out there. So what is that content going to look like? So compilation videos will be back initially every 2 weeks. 4:30 p.m. Fridays. That sounds familiar. Well, it should do. That's when the new compilations will be released. That's the first bit of good news. And I'm also going to be releasing a small series to begin with on the Sunday as well after the video has been released. A bit of a retrospective reaction type video. May work, it might not, but I'll do a small series of them, and I want you to feedback in the comments about how you think the new content is going essentially. So I want to really get some feedback from yourselves. If you think it's rubbish and I'm not very good at it, then I'll stop it and I'll do something else and get back to compilations, which we all know and love. So yes, so really the only thing to tell you is when. We know what we're doing and we know where it's going to live. It's going to be on this new channel, and we know what we're going to be doing, like I say. But when's it coming back? Well, we're going to be going live with our first episode on the new channel, volume 246, in September, the 15th, according to my schedule. So yes, 15th at 4:30 p.m. will be volume 246. That'll be published, and then on the 17th, the new content which I'm working on will also be released. Then of course we have a break the week after, and the week after that, the 29th of September, we'll do volume 247. And then the 1st of October, we'll do the additional content. And we're going to run in that series and that flow, that pattern, shall we say, for a few weeks just until I get back up to speed. So yes, headline, things are better here. We're going to be creating Robin Hood Dashcam channel content again, but in a new location. Like I said, all the information on how to get there in the video. And yeah, we'll be back in the saddle very shortly. Thank you to everyone that stuck around to the channel. I haven't lost anywhere near the amount of subscribers I thought I would do. So thank you for everyone that's held on there for me and wants to support the channel. You can still send content in. The inbox is open, WhatsApp's open, Discord's open, Facebook, Instagram. It's all open to send me photos of car spots and videos of bad driving and driving observations and whatever you want to send me. I've had some quite interesting stuff sent to me recently, so feel free to do that. But as a small disclaimer, if you already have a YouTube channel or you've shared it elsewhere, going forward, guys, I can't put it on the new channel. That's what got me done. Duplicating content and content appearing in more than one location. I can't do that anymore. So you may see some new contributors in the new channel. You're going to see a bit more from me initially as well. But yeah, that'll be the Robin Hood going forward. This video has gone on far longer than I expected, so I'll wrap it up there. Thank you so much, and don't forget, we'll be back on the 15th at 4:30. Take care. Bye.